Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of hiding your TikTok activity status. If you value your privacy and want to keep your online presence discreet, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Locate the TikTok icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner of your profile, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. Within the menu, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. In the Settings and Privacy section, find and tap on the Privacy option. This will open the privacy settings for your TikTok account. Step 6. Within the privacy settings, locate the Activity Status option. Tap on it to access the activity status settings. Step 7. To hide your activity status, simply disable the toggle switch for activity status. This will prevent other TikTok users from seeing when you were last active on the platform. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to hide your TikTok activity status. Now you can enjoy TikTok with added privacy and control over your online presence.